This is Mr. Santana. I just wanted to go over how to dilate a figure on a coordinate plane. All right, so first and foremost, we don't have anything on our coordinate plane, but we do have vertices that are given to us for triangle JKL. I'm going to go ahead and spot the vertices. So 2 comma 1, that would be J, goes here. 4 comma 1, that would be K, that goes there. And then 4 comma negative 1, that would be L, and that goes there. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and draw that figure, and let's make sure that I do not get a shape inside or a fill. I don't want a fill. I simply just want the triangle there. Here we go. There you go. All right, so now I just have to label it. So let's go ahead and do that. We have J, which was this vertex right here. Let's duplicate that and get the other one. This was K. Let's duplicate this, and this was L. There you go. So we have triangle JKL, and we want to dilate it by a scale factor of 2. That basically means that I'm going to just multiply everything by 2. That's going to make life easy to understand and be able to get. So as I look at this, that means that I am going to take 4 comma 1, and I'm going to multiply each number times 2. So here, to get K prime, I'm going to say 4 times 2 is 8, and 1 times 2 is 2. So that's going to be K prime. J is 2 comma 1, so I need to multiply that by 2, and that's going to give me J prime, which is 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 times 2 is 2. So that's going to give me that. Okay, and finally I have L is 4 comma negative 1, and when I multiply each item by 2, I'm going to get L prime, and that's going to be 8 comma negative 2. So let's just expand that so it's clear. There you go. So those are my new points. All right, so as usual, we want to definitely highlight them and be ready for them. So J prime is going to be 4 comma 2, which is here. J prime, K prime is going to be 8 comma 2, which is here. And L prime is going to be 8 comma negative 2, which is here. You can already see it's twice as large because it's a scale factor of 2. Okay, and let's just make sure we get that. No, I want a different color. There you go. So this is one of my points here. This is one of my points here, and this is the other one here. So similar as before, I'm going to go ahead and actually create lines this time so I don't get the fill. Here's 1, here's 2, and here's the other one. If you notice, that is twice as large. It is the same shape, and the only thing left to do is to write down what it is. So this is J prime, this is K prime, and this is L prime. Okay, and that is how you dilate a figure.